In this video, I'm going to show you how to release a muscle that is a major contributor to facial aging in general, and especially when it comes to your lower face. So if you're worried about a sagging jawline, a heavier look in the lower face area, asymmetry, double chin, then this is the perfect routine for you. The muscle that I'm talking about is called the Masseter muscle. It's a muscle that runs along here, the side of the face. It helps us to chew and bite. And often it is also very contracted because many of us suffer from bruxism, from jaw clenching and teeth grinding. A lot of you will do this at night without even noticing, and some even with stress in the day. I've definitely been there. I've suffered from teeth grinding in the day when I've been really stressed. And so I know how it feels like to have a very tight chewing muscle, Masseter muscle. And I know how much it contributes to the lack of definition in the jawline. It also compresses important lymphatic pathways along here. So not only does this tension in the chewing muscle bulk up this whole area, but also it constricts lymph flow, and then all that fluid starts building up along the jawline and causes all of that heaviness and puffiness, the double chin, that lack of definition. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of all of that. So we are going to do 2 massage techniques, and we are going to do 2 stretching techniques as well. And with this, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is just take your fingers, find the muscle itself, because I do want you to do this correctly. And the mistake that many people do is that they work too much in the cheek area, too much in the front here. So please take your hands and find the muscle. And the easiest way to find this is just for a second to kind of squeeze your teeth together so you can feel that muscle contract and feel where it actually sits. So we're going to do this together. Put your fingers here and then squeeze. And here we are. You will notice that a muscle getting tight. Once you have found where the muscle is, release your teeth again and place your fingers just here underneath the bone. So here is the cheekbone. You're gonna just touch here until you feel like you slip down off that cheek muscle just here. And this area is an area that gets very tight quite often. So we are going to place our fingers here, just warm up the whole area a little bit. So place your fingers, slowly open and close your mouth. So open and close. And then move your finger a tiny little bit down, and again. The pressure is not too strong, but also not just superficial. So you definitely want to feel like you're melting through the skin and into the muscle. Then go a little bit further down. Again, being careful not to end up towards the cheek. You want to go, if anything, towards the corner of your jaw. And if you pay attention, you're going to feel where it's tight. And a little bit further down to here. Okay, now that we have released a little bit of tension, got the muscle a little bit warmed up, we're going to make hooks with our index fingers. And you're going to place the index finger just again underneath the bone. Open the mouth a little bit, not forcing it open wide, but just letting the lower jaw kind of fall open very gently. And then you're going to slide down along this area, adjusting the pressure. You want to feel a little bit of discomfort so that you know that you are actually releasing the muscle. If you're doing this too soft, then you're not gonna achieve the release. And if you're doing it too strong, then the muscle is gonna freak out and tighten up more. So you wanna be on a scale of 0 to 10 on a 6 of discomfort, or I don't want to say pain, but it is what it is, honestly. It's not always the most comfortable area to massage because it can be quite tender and sore. And You can again work a little bit more towards, because the muscle is very big, so just with that part of your index finger you're not going to get all of it. So you can start a little bit more towards the center, but being very careful not to get into your cheek and drag your cheek down. That's not what we're trying to do. Just working the masseter muscle. So trying to go down here, and then you can also do it a little bit towards the ear and going back and down in this area. Working slowly, mindfully. Take your time. Press a few times, just calm the tissues down. And now we are going to go ahead and do our stretches. And the first stretch is going to be to the left and to the right. So you're going to take your fingers, put them here along the chin, and then we're going to stretch the jaw towards the left. And while you're doing this, you stay with it. I'm just going to talk, that's why I'm not doing it, but you keep stretching. You're gently pressing in that direction. And now you're going to resist with your chin, with your lower jaw. You're going to resist that press of your right hand and try to go against it, but just a tiny little bit. You're not trying to push against it too hard, maybe a 10-20%. So I'm pressing this way with my jaw, and then stopping to press, and press in this direction a little bit more. Now lower jaw again, resisting, and then letting go of the resistance and stretching a bit more. Now one last time, press with your lower jaw against your hand. This activates that side of the muscle, and then let go and further press into the stretch. Already feels so much better on this side. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. So you're going to press your jaw to the right, thus stretching the left side. Now resist with the lower jaw, your hand, and then relax and stretch a bit more. Resist your hand, activate this muscle, and then stretch a bit more. And the last time, we are resisting, trying to press into your hand with your chin, just for a moment, and then relax and stretch a bit more. Great. Press a few times. And now we are going to do our last exercise for today. So you're going to take your hands, put them on your collarbones, and then going up, open your mouth, stretch your head to the left, mouth is open like this. And now the lower jaw is gonna go to the left again with the mouth open. So it's basically building on what we just did, just with your head up, chin stretched up, and chin stretching to the opposite side as well. So it looks like this. Up we go, open the mouth. Lower jaw stretching to the left. And if you move your head around a little bit here, you will get into different areas of the jaw to stretch it. And this honestly feels so nice. Looks weird. But it feels great. It stretches all the way into the ear, into here. So nice. And come back to center. Let's do the other side. I hope I'm explaining this properly. I hope that you're following me. So we are going to, basically once we go up, gonna open the mouth and then do this with the jaw. okay? And I can already feel a stretch here, guiding my jaw to the right. And come back to center. Let's do one more time on each side, all right? So opening the mouth, moving towards the left with your face, and then moving towards the left with your jaw, with your chin, whilst anchoring with your fingers, with your hands down on the collarbones. Remember to breathe. And come back to center. Let's do the other side. And coming back to center. Press a few times. Take a deep breath. And with this, we are done for today. I hope you enjoyed this little routine. Let me know how it went in the comments below, please. And if you have any questions as well. And if you want to know how to release the rest of your face so that all of your face is relaxed, not only just that chewing muscle, then check out my program. It's the 15-minute facelift system linked below. I'd love to see you there. And until then, bye for now.